Wadiati voice na kwa chiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity lizoba n'orwakana ibiro 19 ebyo kwa kasha 2022 haruna mukaga kandi agana makuru Agacencwire nja kubanza nakwisiyaho ebijamto kandi kundagaritse nja kwisiyaho ebe amakuru Agacencwire ombwejwe
Fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros for mattresses, be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from Rose Farm, a world of beauty.
Agacencwire Vision Group ya jaguze myaka 80 iyo rupapuro The New Vision. Bara City yatongozo kwombeka ebyombeko bibiri ahari Rucece na Rubyenje Primary Schools.
So n'ibintu bintu bigija kuja
abatura batahira ofisi ya RDC Omurumitoma.
Emito y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho.
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nyakurwa Stiga Investment Limited. Kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga.
Refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros for mattresses, be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of beauty.
Mbabazi Charity agana makuru Agacencwire ombwijwire. Vision Group itaje lyambarara herizoba yatecera abakozi bayo ecihuro omukujaguza emyaka 80 kwihora papuro rwa New Vision rutandika echihure echi chatandika no kushaba okwayebemberwa Reverend Dickson Wamanya chaplain wa Bishop Stewart Teachers College Chibingo na Nyamtanga Institutions.
Omubutumwa bwe Reverend Dickson Wamanya chaplain Bishop Stewart Teachers College Chibingo na Nyamtanga Institutions yasimarahanga abomwe obusinge n'entunguka gumizengu ogunugwo musinge guyambere New Vision kuhangara emyaka egiyona
Vision abo emyaka 80 eyemaze kugeza twasimarahanga munonga abo kuba okutanduka okagumako n'ekintu ky'omuhendo munonga companies zimwe kutandika ngo kireba yaguma ku myaka 80 n'ekintu cy'omuhendo munonga kandi tokekanisa nkabayishemwe emyaka 80 n'ekintu cyangu munonga
oguhona yasima Vision Group wawe nkwatansanunje n'amaramuzo echwerire cyangu kujanjaza engiri y'amakuru marungi omuyanga
nkabisheme nkekanisa Vision Group ekwatanise n'tomukubengiri abo kwa for example tureba mbatweta program kandi yamusimanta program y'obujuruzi engire burwa ekeza kuburwa hina abantu binjoko abazunirwe a TV West a Radio West.
Clovis Kahorukora Vision Group ahitaje lyambarara yasima abantu abatembwira omusinge gwo kutandika company ya Vision Group erukutwara New Vision kandi yasima abantu abatwire na bajiro rupapura rwa New Vision kusiya myaka egiyona.
To the customers and suppliers, as we celebrate 40 years, we can not thank you enough. But we promise to deliver content that transforms society.
Wale chitongole chisia emyaka 80 ili tutukia neriye shunga yokujaguza.
Chitongole kusia emyaka 80 mbuhereza chwanchi manyisa ngo batwirene batamwa amani okwegendesereza kandi no gukora kurungi.
Bamwe mu bakozi ba Vision Group basima Ruhanga oba basise ogumana bahereza abantu emyaka egiyona.
Personally, kurire muri company kine binyekizeho and thanks to God. Ahabwa Vision Group kubaho ekakura nitwa abakozi tukakora.
Batandikire benda kubasima nitwesima kugira ngo twagishanye twase barwongeraho
emyaka 20 egiye mazire eberiyo myaka y'omugasho mununga oburemezo wabira mu covid twatwindire covid-19 konkaka gumza moyi namano umuntu w'amani mununga tabasa kugwanza.
Awa TV West Abdul Karim Sengendo.
Abdukalima Sengendo abebembezo mu rurembo rwambara batongozo kombeka ebina ahamashomero ga government abiri n'ekigenderwa cyo kutungura ebyo bwegese city okombeka oku nukuzakorwa hari Rucece Primary School mu Ruchindo Ward Mbara City South Division arobyenje Primary School mu ward ya Chasha omuri Mbara City North Division.
Ehuru yo kutongoza kwembeka ebina kwa ebemberwa Mbara City kiraka Justin Bareke meya n'abanyamyogo mbyo bwegeso mu city
itwaba abani ebintu bingi ntubyirukanze mwe cyo kurebera ngo babaherize n'ishomero abo kuba babene barebe binde burukubura ha mwana kurwa murura mukijo mu city tumukoze rero
okakutwantu kigamba ho kansara murongo yabahorereza umwe n'abana bakakagire batataro bina ngukuba bagira bati ngukuba bakanya bagenda abo kubataroki mwene class zija nintekateke birani bizakora
itwaba banzo mwanya ogu baturambusa na nyine timu twatwine akachiko ka RC1 twabanzo kurambura twatina aho kwaka warebo mwanya go kuri madam town kraka omwana wa nasare toilete yibakuzamu bakakatora guru munonga mweno imagine ngo mwana kwiyo kuterwa mu ndanga kasheshe kuza kuri yo ruguru ekintu cyatushobora konka twagenda ubusasi tubwina mitema yitu mwene twisha kubateka tekaho
abarukwebembera amashomeraga basima government na mnongo bwebembezi bwo rembo rwambara habwo kubijuka
ni bashankinde abataka abina bana heru abina bijukura heru iri shomero mwamutakwenda umushobesa na shobesa kubi you have the right to go and ask for a better teacher akija omwanya gwitu kakura
ngiza kongera ubwingi bw'abana nyongera kusima aba education aba mpiro gwa headmaster mu yogo mwanya kandi abazire basima iki kitekateko no kuta iki kizimbe
tukamuhebwa Gerard Muhizi wa RCC abwambara City South aina maskong project egineja kwero kutungura umutindo gw'ibyo bwegeso mu cyangeki
bashoma bagenda onko mukongera kwa classes ntutekateka ngo nikuza kuyambaho munonga abana no kureba ngo ishomero ryabo yayongeraho n'abashomesa batunga mani ikindi kitwareba mungu n'abashomesa nabone bake but of course we have talked to the technical people kandi tukimaya ngo abashomesa nibaza kudongeraho
ntwalo mukisa guno okuba garantinga mbu bitugenda okola biri ku standard
okombeke bina na Soha Rucece Primary School nuguza ku maro miliyoni 150 mu sente za Uganda kandi neja kombeka Roshika Investments Limited aha Robiyanje Primary School miliyoni 150 nzo zirakozesibwe kandi okomurimo nguza korwa ba AOG Engineering Company Limited amakuru agagashakwa na Good Fatuma
Webere na Good Fatuma abaturo mcharo echachitojo ya kabiri ho muri Chanzire Kashenshero Mtoma batahira ofisi ya RDC barukushaba okubahwera hamuntu orukutekatekwaho okubayisiro mtura mjenzi wabo bajangu polisi ekamukwata konkabagarika bamurekura bwanyuma y'ebiro bice
Byamkama Lawrence nuwari kugamba kwa yitsorwe birabe na bitanu byokwezi kwa 2026 abwe mhondano y'amataka abwe nshongeji abaturani bajangunya kwitwa akarekorwa hata y'umutaro na ryaptara nuko kutayira ofisi ya RDC okubahwera amuntogo
akaba umuntu mwisi gomba mwenda byamkama Lawrence umusigezi yitwa binenyena haba homwe uba baserekare n'abagabo Banyuma y'esandi biba muri mwena bataka bagira ngo baza kushara mu bamwe nanye narugayonka kansara oronzi nenda kutasa embera
isurwe bakiza bamucebera bamara ayisurwe batugambira ngo umuntu ayisurwe kandi abamwisire nabise to bihira uzubu bwitaka polisi ne tugambira ngo umuntu tayine musango mutayisurwe cyatutangaza umuntu obise rabe na bibiri ebiro mwenda byoko kwezo bamukomorire
ikintu cyasingereho kunshasha Lawrence Gande myaka yona kagumana jata nibenda kunyita no bakunyita bakimara kumwita na polisi kabura kwijaho korondo bujuruzi omushumo wenkoko nubazo mu cyaro korondo bujuruzi konko mwisi bangere kwija korondo bujuruzi
okurujira abaturaba obwitano muri mutomo bweyonjeire kandi nshongeji nubajijecera abebyo kwerinda obutakora mu gwabo kurunji
emyaka kakaze no kugayo rero isero basire na honda bahonda ngo kwese bakwasa mu komecero cyumu
ekituru kwenda nitwendo buringanizo muri mutomo omuntu kwarita omuntu bamufubire bamanye ngo ayisira omuntu konke cyo kugira ngo wayita omuntu ayisira omuntu wakwata ebijwaro byona byesigire sagama utanabitwara Kampala kuza kubicebera kuza kutunga NDA obwe tuburinganiza
ngenda kutekateka yo biciko mu cyaro kuriya ayiba kuruga banyitera batakabona tuzeho tugambe nabo tugambire kurinda ubusinge inja kugenda na timu yanjye ya polisi n'abandi tuzeho tugabagambire barinda ubusinge bategereze uburi potegera arige nanga nituzo kugeza kugambana na polisi kureba ngo eganira aba Kampala ebe bakwenda gukora batere mu speed sa tufune amazima
tuzo twabetuhire icyamazi mu fayiro bakabatabutire mu ibarire state akubo obuzuruzo bwo kubanze kere flash inya kufaya sindikire babanza kumuturugunyo mu ndo kubanza bakamutera bakamuteka mu rutoke bakamusheka endere akagaruka kajura akarga yakagaruka
aba bahabwa bwa ka polisi okora bya statement chwere polisi okwatabye mushijogo obwahato buziracaro bwanyuma iyo korekurwa gashakwa Ben Muhozi
Bare Ben Muhozi abashomezi 15 ku rugo mu bice kabitarumwe na bihanga basimirwa mu ntebe kanisa ya Vision Group ya Teachers Making a Difference aba 2025 aba basimirwa hamukoro rugogoma ogukorirwa mu makaga President entebe kandi gukurirwe Minister w'Byobwegese n'Emzano kandori mukamukuru wihanga Janet Kataha Museveni
Birunji umshemesa korga bombo Army Secondary School wasinjira abashomesa umupakazi ya Vision Group ezo kusima umshemesa wo mtano ningashi Teachers Making a Difference abwenko 2025 ogu asimirwa bwo bhangu bwo mtano obiyakorese kutungura ishomereri okorga beji igana 12 habiyashanze ishomero rine okwikabeji emtwarena abrine hati abandi basimirwe barimo Arafat Ndiwa Chemasut owa Kalasa Girls Primary School Omar Amdat, John Bosco Loibok owa Karinga Boys Primary School, Richard Begura owa Immaculate Heart Girls School Omar Kunjiri, Tyre Fundaro owa Yumbe Primary School, Abandi na Aisha Mbeya owa Narubari Primary School Bujiri, Anna Lomanyang owa Kangore Boys Primary School na Park, Job Afeku owa Euro Primary School Ajumani na Elisa Mfutundinda owa Maramba Seed Secondary School Omar Kisoro. Abandi barmu Morris Wamuwaya owa Nabumari Boarding Primary School Mbale, Florence Nabasumba wa St. Peter's Nantabwirirwa Primary School Mukono, na Stella Ejang owa St. Catherine Secondary School Lera, aba bahirwe berabo byokubasima.
A plague, 2 million shillings which will be wired to your account, and you will certainly travel to Ireland.
That in the context of a Ugandan teacher making a difference is not just a catchy phrase. It is about daily intentional sacrifices and the demonstration of an excellent work ethic.
Abashomesa mkaga bo kubanza nibaza kutwarwa omwihanga area Ireland. Abandi bashomesa bashatu basimirwa bwo kutaje mu nkore bashomere Ireland ebyambere kutahwa impinduka mu mashomero agubara kushomesamo.
Because as teachers, you are the foundation of our education system and key pillars in shaping the citizens Uganda needs for the development of a prosperous nation tomorrow.
Aba ni bano kwekuli Joel Mukose wa Namagonjo Primary School Bujiri, Badlu Siliman Aluma wa KC Secondary School Yumbe, na Nora Anyayiti wa Katekwani Primary School Omuri Bukedea. Twagamba wana bamwe abashomesa abasimirwe.
Ndine sanyu lingi nyo okubera overall winner. Kwegamba sinaba kukitegera bulungi naye kirabika kyo kyekyo.
Banange mpulira essanyu, mpulira okwagala, neneebaza Katonda kuba neebaza Katonda nga sisuubira nti oba ndi balinondayo ng'omusomesa alimu ebyenjawulo. Neneebaza abantu bonna. Mwalabye nti path rates zeeyongedde tekyali bagwa. Kati ekyo kitegeeza nti ono maama w'amaanyi era mujja mujjukira mu bitabo bya Uganda nti curriculum yali ya storing emyaka 65 yagamba nti erino kyuka ng'ate ali wano mu State House.
Wamukuru wa Vision Group Don Innocent Wanyama asimire Minister w'ebyobwegyese n'ebyemizano Janet Kataha Museveni abwita Farhango eryatuyire omu program age.
However, this project took an international dimension when the Irish Embassy and our other partner Travel Care, a local tour and travel management company owned by an Irish investor, came on board in 2017, and since then we've never looked back. We really appreciate you, the ambassador and the team.
Omujetera wa Ireland mu Uganda Max Gaina ayorekera karonja kari mu nkora yo kusima abashomesa agumizengwe ekiyambere okuhindura ambera y'abantu.
And during the visits, as we saw, Ugandan teachers spend time in the schools, in the classrooms. They meet with their peers, their fellow educators, and exchange ideas. And it really is a two-way exchange, as we saw so well. And what's particularly encouraging to me is the impact that these exchanges have, not just on the individual teachers, but on their actions once they return to their schools and communities.
Gashakwa Sengendo Abdukarim.
Were Sengendo Abdukarim reka tumireho tugaruka nagarukurata.
Garukurataho nagakushikibwaho.
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Agarukurataho abarukurya loan bashabwa okweharo kuzirire eryo zikabarema kushashura.
Let's not rush to get rich quick.
Agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho.
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumukidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumiseze shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tukizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze zenyine. Dio ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka. Nembogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery (MBCHB), Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazumorya hano barimo bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansuko mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo guje hakunywa
mucyara unam utatini ndenda ngubije bakuroza hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufundurira kahurire
Kamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeze binako kishahemu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatuka kabisira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara n'abagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende n'abagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS ebyo kwemeka byongera koroba kankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kwembekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi bingi kandi byo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalore tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo rero bakwinira amatafari ga buri muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mbwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombecyese cyangane kabendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabare road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena muri tukinda abantu bingi abashije n'abakazi abojona bishiki emyaka binagumwe okwisari 85 okwerache Chenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards checking agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes recruitment niyo company esingira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitugona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga not mushanju ina itano
ebiro bikuru ebi sheberwa n'abanyamutano.
In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with Sakina, your du'as be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose-foam mattresses be part of your journey, so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Kareem from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
Kurukayo mkahumuro bamemba ba Ebo SACCO n'abandi bantu nibashabwa okwetantara okweguza sente za SACCOs batine bigendererwa abahangu ombuhereza bwa SACCOs nibagira ngu omuriyeki nikiteganisa obuhereza bwa SACCOs.
Bigambirwe Paulo Katende mukuru wa Salt Financial Services obwabira ryo mugenyi mukuru aha mukorogoro rukiko rwo murundo rwa 2022 orwo kuhendera omwaka no kutongoza loan ya Grow ahabwa Ebo SACCO muri bwizibwera kashari aha mugorogu bamemba bashabirwe okurekeraho okweguza loan batine kigendero.
The active members also are active in borrowing. Active members, I think they are the borrowers. I see the membership, but the borrowers are few. If you don't borrow, how are you going to make income? But also don't just come to borrow. Come and borrow for a purpose. To the board and management, I urge you to remain steadfast. The journey ahead is really strategic now.
Paulo Katende hona shabere abebembezi ba Ebo SACCO okuba abesigwa omusente z'abantu chwere SACCO yabo kugumiza munetunguka.
Let us be staff of integrity. Let's not rush to get rich quick. Whatever you earn, the small money you earn, that is your money. If someone has voted 500 million, that is his money, not your money.
Ebo igenze nekura kurugahidara kuzarindi kumanya ebo hatiye bidese by Bank of Uganda kandi customers bagiziremo bwese munonga nambwe ndikiriza nkugumizemo umusheya campaign n'urukiko rwahinduza ngo remember ayongereho umugabo.
Abebembezi basimire Ebo SACCO ahabwo kuheza abantu etari kushorora.
Amazima ga Ebo batunga sente batunga ubwaiga nyo bampaka ruru na fuka chairman. So nyenda kusima Ebo
sente yashomesa abana bitu kuko bari mu school fees Ebo kwa kasento shomesa etuyambire bwa business obwa hansi kora.
Omukugamba kwe Mugume Joseph Kazoba mukuru wa Ebo SACCO asimire government okwesiga Ebo SACCO ekajihereza sente za grow okutungura abantu omubyaro.
Na Bank of Uganda nini yatamuru sente zikuberezwa abahinji n'abarisi zamagoba make kandi zorengo bona kurga miliyoni emwe maka miliyoni zo kwenda tukure mu za kwara. So atogo no mchamhango sente ziturezo mu commercial banks kongati nito SACCOs bazagutunga tuzereze abahinyi n'abarisa bitu abatura banajure nyuma
gasha kwa ali waswa.
Abamugarusia Farmers SACCO Limited basemwa abo kwatanisa kwenegeza entunguka barukwegita no kubicira nyensya bamemba bashabo kwehara okuryaza none zibatari kubasa bakahendera bagwisize SACCO zabo.
Omurukiko rwa buri mwaka rwaba head office muri Mugarusia urukwebembera SACCO ejiwiri amatwine yasima bamemba bwo kwatanisa kureba ngo SACCO eji yatunguka
kora hamwe n'intunguka endijo household income twahembwe kamazu nk'ibya family zo kuva bibona when had to abantu twendera umwaka w'2025 twakora cye kora amaguba birireyo twagatera members kushemererwa.
Chairman, I want to thank you for running this SACCO and for running it very efficiently. Webale munonga na timu yao.
Abarukwebembera obukiko bashame byo bisakwe kozire ne bibyerekerire koro mwakogu.
Loan photos tukaba tubarire emitwaro nshanju twatunga emitwaro nkaga mbwenu tukumize mutwabarire emitwaro nshanju tukamanya. Stationary sales tukaba tubarire miliyoni 3 n'emitwaro 10 twatunga miliyoni 3 n'emitwaro 4 n'eshicweka hati miliyoni 3 n'emitwaro 10 tuzigarire habwo mwako. Accumulated interest tukatunga miliyoni 3 n'emitwaro 6 tubasize kuzitunga zona tutungira miliyoni 2 n'emitwaro 8 n'emitwaro 8 tukateka ngo mwako tubasa kuhitinga target yito itwari tutekateka mwako mukiri.
School fees loan y'abana b'amashomero, agriculture loan ejineyo buhinji n'oburisa, twin emergency loan like no basa kufuna ekizubu no twishira tukya sente mu kiro kimwe. So twin development loan like no basa kwano enda kuombeka no enda gulitaka nkebyo ejoro nayo tujine.
Abantu bashaba abantu kwije mu SACCO eji abwo ko mwaka gwo baza kutungura no kongera abuhereza.
Twaza mahati twenda kongera aha sensitization of members ubinkareginga kugura shares abo komani ga banka ga SACCO shares
ari yaroni amuherwa kushashura umujeje abona kumango mukazarire roni ashaye kushashura ukiza kushango shanga chairman umwana wanje LC1 akasayininga ya taho stamp ya singa n'ikibanje cyo mushije yibata kukimanya ukiza kureba rero mukaza inendagano ikibanje neke ayinendagano ya chairman LC1 umujeje atakupanya bukibanje ikintu cyo mukaza gasinga hato butaka bukora amakaga hondana nimba shaba mbene shaba bashyamene bajwana banje waza kusayiningire umukazi ngwaze kurya roni bano manyangu kibanje cyo neke nko muntu akacyegurira naro beno manyangu iba nakimanya ngo ahire kibanje cye ngo mukaza kisinge.
Obukiko busya nabwo bwatoranwa ndi Anita Tukunda.
Bere Anita Atukunda abatimbi befezo mu district ya Bwejo wenda government okubaha emishomo yo kurinda ebyobuhango mushanga chabo na mnongo mu matimbiro agefeza omwezi horukura abatimbi befezo mu Uganda yona kabireho deus na jangu bacenderizo kukoresa macire bwanyuma yo kucimanyangu ne yakabi ahamagara gabantu nebyobuhangwa.
Ubwanyuma y'aba ministry y'ibyobuhangwa gumane betombuitura abantu abo barukushisha ibyobuhangwa na munonga abo barukutimbe feza bagizireho urukiko nabo barukutimbe feza kubasa kuhajana bizibe barukuraba mu murumogu hamwe no kubasa kurinda ibyobuhangwa.
Of course nitumanya ebinte byo bukorwa ku Bwejo nibishisha omugera bwito gwa rwizi konka bya twamanyire ngo gushishikara gutyo omite bikorwa ntibasa kwindahindura mututa kugira ngo mugera gwagumaho na nito abantu twagumana tukora kintu tuganirwa umuyebe binte biruhanga yatiro mu itakaliye.
Aba batimbi bifeza nabagira ngo gukoresa amacuri cikatandiko mu mwaka gw'2016 ngo kandi cikatandikira mu Katenga konka bariyo no batunga kwegesa ubwo kubasa kucicendeza.
Bwejo tikastaka kosaga amacuri kastaka jireba konka ekizo mu Bwejo 2016 ubu habaho ibakweta gold rush Katenga hata abantu abarigire mu bende za Tanzania bizana macuri kubagirese twashanga macuri ne kwatefeza nyingi twagikozesa okahabwa nyuma yo kuza omushumo mingi kandi nkoko na okwanka nkavuna chance naza de scientific conference Denmark na itegereza denja za macuri
so nyowe kinkureba no kugera ngwitwe nkabebembizi twaguma turi example ka protecting environment na hatu washumo uko wanje ukareba compound yona nemiti ukareba ki so twabe example environment yo protecting
inabati mbita kenya kesha twinba yes, 2 people died in the mines and so many others. They don't report it. So now we know as a government, and the problem is with us. The problem is with you, the miners. And we are looking on the future is not ready.
Ubwanyuma y'urukiko ab'ikitongore cy'amize no buhangwa borekero kubahwerira abaturubwo barakuratandikiraho project ya mize ya Agacencwire pipe irrigation ihwerira abaturu kushikere bihingwa byabo.
Tatwiro mbishara ntwijunisa ekishara okutwera kubasa kuba konka government yija yatereza irrigation so bwanyuma yo kutereza irrigation amize nagargo mu kishara gatembera guru mu rusozi so gazo mutanka kwijunisa mizagu ukubasa kwirwaho umutwatirine no kwinga no kubasa kwetungura abo ibintu bitwiha mu sente.
The pilot is irrigating 17 acres here and is consisting of 5 farmers. These farmers are all going to benefit from this investment from government. They have their drip irrigation and they have been trained on how to manage and maintain this system on their own.
Amakuru agagasha kwa mayiko tumwakire.
Abaturo mu district ya Rubirizi basimirwa ko kureberera kurunji ekibira ecyakasyo hakitome.
Ekitongore kitari kya government ekyana kya Uganda kiri kushagikwa aba National Forest Authority na local government omu district ya Rubirizi basimire abatura ahabo murimo murungi ogo bariyo nibakora okurinda ebyobuhangwa. Aba barambwire bimwe ohabicweka ebyekibira kya kasho hakitomi kandi kishangirwe ngu obwa hati ekibira eki kibonire munonga wagerageranisa nenyumaho.
He will bring some.
Hey,
if you eat that spice, Jimmy, if you will not get rain, you will get.
Ekiberechi hato kunumwaka gw'2026 kibera kibonire konko wakikiremwe emyaka 15 enyuma myaka ye2010 ukabota kwenda ngo kirebe kikakitari kibera akuba kikanche nchereza abantu amakara enku embaho bakubyiya yo muringo gw'ekishobo bugubayo bakunda guona
mbayo batakizira abantu bane cya twaturi kubi ihamba abantu kandi batema memihini enku ebiti baratema baraza kombekesa konka aba bantu kuba amazire kwija batutekamu omuhimbo batuhereza ebikwato twabone byo gukora nkomunonga ko gukora wayini.
The foundation of the program is of course the forest. That is where this program comes from, and that is where it will end. So everything starts and ends with the forest. Everything we do has to have connection to the forest.
Abahona batongwize enkoresa y'amahega agakozerwe n'obukugu bwingi okukoresa enkunche kuchendeza akucwekereza ebibera.
Kabanza twakikorana research twashanga ngo kikabe nkibakira mwenyamishwa nyingi, kikabe nkibakira mwe binyonyi byingi bikuka by'ibirunga 15, kikabire ni kibakira mu enjoke nyingi zitwezuru kwekurra, kikabe ni kibakira mu insects, kikabe kira mu Mbabazi konkejo bikabyagenzere ne bwo umwe no mu gwitu gukaba guryo gwo kugambira abantu ngo ibintu twena ngo bigaruke
ukora abane cya Uganda ngwagadde nnyonywera tugwebaziza government ya gusima nyera tukugongera maso aho munecyo ne office of school baba bitaze engagement yafo kujya nafo kuyamba ko bakora bana batuyamba indi yadawe
no bukiri kityo aba National Forest Authority nabagira ngo hakiriho ekire kubatambi kono omukora emirimo yabo.
Ikizubu cyo kubanza ne sente zitakumara sente za kubintu zituyamba ku gukora operations allowances patrolmen abantu tukabasashura kugira ngo babe bakora umurimo barije bareke kuba tempted kuzo mu illegal activities.
Nature Uganda nekomoka muri Denmark kandi bahereze kongerwa endagano y'emyaka 4 okwera abarukurinda ebyo buhangwa mu Uganda. Gashakwa Onesimus Ndianabo.
Webere Onesimus Ndianabo reka tomereho tucinaganda makuru hotargaha TV West.
Reka nkwanjurira Ibanda Secondary School. Ibanda Secondary School ni ishomero ry'abojo erukushangwa Kagongo Division Ibanda Municipality. Rirya hamusinjwe Kerezia kandi ryebemberwa abanyadini aba Brothers of Christian Instruction. Nitwebembezo kutina ruhanga okubaje kwa beji ebyo bwegese ni class ya higuru kandi ombye mzano tino rukutwingana. Nitsima abazire abeji abegesa nabebembezi bishomereri abo kora kurunje bigezo ebyihanga buri mwaka. Okwika harengo rwihanga ombye mzano nka football, volleyball, chess na basketball kandi bakaikana harengo rwa East Africa ombya debate. Nitsima old boys ahabo kukunda no kuhagira ishomero bakatwombekere cyayi cyo murembe kandi ntubakira habo byemzano yabo eri kuza kuhendera ishomere birabiro na kimwe kwa kasha 2026. Turiyo ntitebekanisa kujaguze myaka nkaga kwihishomere ritandika ronchi nebiri 12
omukwa mukaga 2026. Katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibaregaruka kugire nako hamutima byaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi Eina chama chayo muhute katochi niyerya hamutindo. Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited. Otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
Mama owulira otya?
Kujja sanyu lingi nnyo.
Banange
MTN neyanziza.
Tata omwana ogenda mugambako oba wali wano?
Taliwo.
Sente zembadde ngenda okusasula ku school fees z'omukulu zigenda kunyambako okuweerera batoobe abalala ababiri. MTN mama ngenkoledde kinene ngasinga omumaamu sirijjerabira obulamu bwange bwonna.
Ngenda kusibira kusasula school fees nyiga star 165 star 80 ashi sasula school fees ngokozesa momo school funds masomo tugenda zigaba osobola okwewola waliwo school fees loan genda ofune loan oba tolinawo sente ozisasule mu bbanga mpola obulamu butambulenga buli koona.
Noyendebero byanyense birungi ahabwo mwana wawe Kinon High School erukushangwa haruguto rwambara kabare nico kigarukwa mu cyawe bino bwegeso bw'omutindo bine ona A level omashomo ga arts na sciences enshomesa yabo netebana na curriculum ensya programs zabo nizitebekanisa abeegi okuhika kurungi ebibuuzo n'okurengaho bakaba basinguzi omu by'amagara agabwanyuma y'ekilasi Chinon High School bine ibikiro ry'ebitabo library eijwire obwenje obw'okubutuura ebyokucondoza abeegi okweshomera habwabo bonka laboratory erikwera abeegi okuhangahanga ebisya n'ebyoga abashomesa batendekirwe gye kandi behireyo ahabwa obusinguzi bw'abeegi
okwandika abeegi nikugenda omumaisho Chinon High School neshangwa Rwampara ahari gutonyigendwa orwambarara Kabare hihi na Rwampara District Headquarters esimu noti mushajoti 2 81 93 13
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil. Second best to a mother's love.
tunashiremu nganye n'ikiroto cyo kutandika business age ngo ntine kasente so nisha na riba loans manager bashobora kwita isabu kutunga loan na bitwarayo bampa kasente akasente ako bakampire business ketaro nganye muka business kache ka grocery so nisha na kiyamu na tandika business age is about 3.5 million. Sente zo kuba zimpire nakora renovation nakora ibyo kureba aha
igarabu weju tifama sako igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwire ntasiya yawe chanje butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningoma tajigitaga buheju na kanunka branches omuri buheju district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera not mushanju munana mukaga not 13 not 2
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi mingi. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugenda omumisho. Tera enamba z'esimu 0772 96 9051.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, abalala babane? Everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola? When I'm watching my kazanyo?
Ndabye mbaga ya daddy.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga? Sisumagire ekyo shuwa.
Kati nange bampakingire
Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Kurkaye mukahumro ogwe hari kubura hesha habshaha abasilamu bakarwa mutsibo mu district ya Shema barabwirwa kwebembeze dini ya rukundo hataro kushorora ebi bigambirwa umunyeshenjero wa Shema municipality Dickson Kateshumbwa abire nasibura abasilamu mu makajenya bishiraka bo head vision mu Shema municipality.
Omukusibura abasilamu okubire omumaka g'omunyeshenjero wa Shema municipality omuri Nyabisera Kabohe division Dickson Kateshumbwa ashabire okwebembeza rukundo no kwehara ebigambo ebyakubasa kutanisamu abantu omubyanga
kandi abanyashema nyenda kubashaba let religion not divide us abo kuba baboine duka kujya munobanza uyetu umuntu yiza kutaha mu ombuze dine yaromu yabatarwa dini yawe ujyo tsohoroze kurakahi
ninga wabo ndio wa bodaboda umuntu itakwizo kajotiwe uri umusalamu ninga uri umukristo boda yanje tukugiraki
okwetandisamu buri umuntu okwenda ngo akoreche tine kikuza kutusiya nk'abanyashema kutukwatira hamwe nubwo tukwija kutunga development ya twena konka omuntu kwarayende kukora ekintu mu dini akakitaka turegire nk'ey'abasilamu ninga y'abakristo eje ntunguka tero
kwenda kubahamiza ngo ite omushema edini zona tuli omuntu nyowe nazo warfadha nijachamishana no kubyamanibya nazo wakanoni the same story.
Abebembezi omu district ya Shema basimira omunyishengero Kateshumbwa ahabwo kukwatanisa n'amadini.
Niyenda kusima ahabwo kuba mbagira ngo mukuru ni wakwegesa ki omuto mwenu nintekateka ngu oriyo notwegesa ki.
Niyenda kutabarisya abasilamu mwebale kuza mu kisibo kandi no kulinda okukirije
usije mwara mukoragana nkuko ntakireba kandi mesegereza ngumugume mutyo numutwazaje numukoragana hamwe mutatwatwara urusije for granted.
Omugandi abasilamu ku rugo mu muzigiti 10 omuri Igara East Bushenyi district batungire obuhwezi bwebyo kuriya kandi babihirwe omunyishengero wabo Michael Mawanda Maranga arukurabira omupiye we.
Unare mu Mawanda nabahereze bintebi abo kugira omwabe mutandika kusiba akabahereze kushiraniye atebe nabahereza ngunabyo bayambeho acoro cyanyu cha idi.
Abebembezi b'abasilamu basimire MP Michael Mawanda Maranga ahabwo kugumana abatekatekaho omubwire bw'ekisibo.
Tunasima rahanga abo kubasa kukumira honore Michael Mawanda kumana izuka abasilamu ombero byabo abo kuba katanke ekisibo yagere ibintu byabahereza
yakikora umurundi bwo kubanza kushanga ngo natwerezayo ebintu byo kusiburira abasilamu na mnonga abo abatari kwebasa mnonga
mwine no kumbera umutwaza mu kisibomu bene ko mwagumizana umutwaza byanga byanje mukorgamo n'ababiri babaherire kumbera umutwaza bene ko mwagumizana umutwaza imico mirungeje egumizemeye.
Ekisibo ni kikoma ekireki kandi nyencyakare omunsi yona abasilamu nibija kuba nibajaguza Idil al-Fitr. Gasha kwa Michael atwakire.
Bari Mike atwakire abasilamu bashabwaho kumanya mugasho gw'ekisibo butosha twero kamya entiriza yabo ebyagambwa ubukani Hamdani abanakwatira abasilamu bo bari kwetebekanisa okusiburuka.
Omukoro gwo kwatira abasilamu nebyo kusiburikiraho kwa yebemberwa Ruth Bahati manager wa Kan Hamdan.
Tandika Ramadhan ne tandika ni Mr. Hamdan kani abeire na hayo mukugonza kwe nko kumukama akusobora kumuhereza umutima gwo kuhayo. So abeire na hayo aba abantu batakwesobora
bamomba basirama batungo obuhezo bayereka kushemererwa abo obuhezo bw'abahebwa.
Ninaomba mema kwa Mwenyezi Mungu faso umetoa akurudishie akuzidishie kuliko hii yenye umetoa.
Mbariki nafasi vyakula hivi vinatoka. Amuongeze nguvu na kesho mwaka nakuja tupate. Anakumbuka sisi wa masikini,
sisi watu wa chini. Mungu akulipe mema haji ati hatuna na chenye tutakuja kupa ila Mungu akurudishie. Ni Mola peke yake.
Sheikh Ashraf Masereko wa kamukoro ogu yashaba abasilamu kumanya omugasho gw'ekisibe kibatwiremu.
Otubona kuno Eid tutegeeza nti tuyina kujemera Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ni tukula sobi bali bagenda mu masanyu nibasanyuka amasanyu nibagenda nibasanyukira mu haramu ereri tusanyuke mu halali Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala zayalagira ati bo tuba tumaze kuseba bannange waliwo mpeera ze tuyina kuzekwatako tuyina kuzenyagira tuyina kuzifuna.
Idi al-Fitr neja kujaguzibwa nyencyakaro kwetorora ensiyona amakuru agashoka Gilbert Muhangusi.
Babere Gilbert Muhangusi amashomero ga government muri rukonjire gashaba government okugakwatiraho gakahinduka endebeka no kutunga bikwato abari kugebembera beina maskongu batunga obwezi bwa government nibija gukora kurungi ombyo bwezese.
ishomero rya St Francis buhunganira mu mashomero ga government agutukiremo muri Kitomo muri Rukungiri district kandi uwahikaho no yakirwe byombeke byayombekirwa mu mwaka gwa 2019 n'ishomero rero bortandika kandi oyihireho kushashira imishara y'abashomesa government ine cyangwa kiyarakorire oyihireho abazira barkwatirire ekiri kutangaza no kugira ngo no buraro bw'abashomesa nago ngago bitu no bwembere ryeti abashomesa bono bakorogwa abo kushomesa kurunja abana aba kandi bashyikira higure bubuzo bya muhero.
We have few permanent structures here kandi zona nizakozweho ningizatirwaho abazire none by government mwenu aba government abaryaha n'abari kuza kuturura tukabentushaba mu ishomereri kumwahuro uhereza buryaha naruza so kuziri ubundi twafuna ubuyambi kurwa mu government kikatuyamba.
I got touched when I saw a house that accommodates teachers. It is so touching. Very, very lamentable. Really.
Abana beyongire mulongo kinde wibakorara ebizinde byo kureba noba nobireba umwomo nebya bazire nibo bakwefo bakatamwa kasenzo kandi umayene ntashya y'umuka akasente nikakatarho nko kuwabireba byona abana bona bafundiye haro za computer taro za lab ngene nibetago buyambe nangwa kurwo mu government kumwakubana mubasa mukateka teka girishoboro gito.
Reverend Father Fisha by'umuhanjo rubwana mukuru wa Rutoma Parish kandi yebembire kitambo cya misa yishemerero bwe barukusima mukamo cyisa bege buzo bye cya mukaga nabagambira umwira kandi yo rumwe kushaba government obuhwezi.
Ikateraho buraro bw'abegesa ikateraho mwe ndebiro musayasa wo kubanza bera yini 11 I started to be collected chabera yini 11 na karabara trakine weti kumanya koko chikora shanjire mwini ono tubeba mutunjire mbeba wale wongomani na wasakori 11 ko musayasa na karabara trakine akabazere batereho na we wishes nolanga government ya torocha laboratory chirunji
nakusema mnonga ubwishomero bwa St Francis amana gertiremo kureka twakora mnonga tuti cyaburije ishomero rya hansi gero kushanga abana mibika mnonga nkabatiya
ishomero tumuntu kwatera konka tugereseho batamamani na namutahi wanje akozi 18 mwene kintu twakikora namani.
Umugandi company yahirwa mu rugo kutimba amajuto mbedwa byaterengo mu district ya Burisa hamwe na Noya ishagikira abana 30 kuzomuhaya bwanyuma yo gukora kurunje bigezo bya sine ya kane by'umwaka 2025.
There were 300 plus applicants but the few of them who qualified really gave us joy that they'll have a very good future and also equally put a very good impact to the community and also to themselves.
Aba bakatayente bekanse jo kutungure by'ubwegese mu district zikine na project ya Terenga. Mave narani to hamwe na Mariam babirye bamomo beje batunjira kushoma kwa busho muhaya nabagira ngo ibyo kushoma babire babirugireho.
I am blessed that to have this opportunity having been taken by the total people. I managed to get 3 A's and 6 B's.
In my UNEB results I got 2 A's and 7 B's. The A's that is in physics and geography. I feel so much happy to have been given this scholarship.
Abwa TV West and Aloysius bya mukama hamwe na Ambrose nwaga bakatoto.
Ntugaruka na makuru akibimzana.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nabagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bicira kubi abo bashota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntukozesa momo no tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konkana bwono basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero gacejumbire muri basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaloni ya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
mwami waza kurgaho yejekeho hona mazima nyewe nkabanda reba umusuru gwanje kugurukusha banagagize mama mwasi agarahanga taro cintatiro umusuru gw'ibicorogo burikiri sacho nanchitiremo murana kabumwe abazenyo nabo mukasheshe konka reba umusuru gwa murano rebo gwanje ngakugambira ngo mukakapere nandoga konka wayanga hatu wachireba
hata bichoni byo bikuteze nduru no yabantameno mo yabawe bichori mukakapere mushanje nakose jimusa cha crop champion taro muhinjo migandom arukweza atakaose jimusa cha crop champion umuhinji wen gose jimusa cha crop champion abashubuzi mucishanje aha Joseph Farm Supplies aha Kings Plaza omishoga Coppers Complex eduka namba G1 jimusechi nichango maduka gona omwihanga crop champion the farmer's best choice.
Some things don't arrive. They've always been.
You see, every day that I wake up, I am more than what you see.
Not for a day, for all of time.
We don't merely gaze outward, we birth new worlds.
Until quietly, something shifts.
We are the ones we've been waiting for.
Seeing.
Find your tribe.
Recognizing.
Speak each other's name in praise.
Becoming.
Every time I made a leap of faith, I jumped afraid.
Moving from someday to now. Women are not honored in time. They are woven through it. Shaping every story, every voice, every breath.
The privilege of a lifetime is being who you are.
We are because she is. And because tomorrow they will be.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor, so rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
There is a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
harukubura y'ukwezi kumwe mpaka za Afrika z'abasigazi kutandika kuzanwa timu yihange ya Uganda Cubs yayonjera okutendekwa kwayo kwetebekantize mpaka izirabeho kutandika ebirabo na bitano by'okwezi kwa kana okusiku 15 eby'okwezi kwa katano omwaka ogu omwihange lya Morocco. Simon Peter Sajabi omwamza abazani ba timu ya Uganda ashobora hakutendekwa kwa timu kuriyo kugenda misho ahachaye chanjeru.
Now open your joint. Combination. Work together. This one. Open. Go. Everybody. So that.
I've been in the camp for a little while now, and I think that it's very competitive. Obviously, the boys want to bring back glory to Uganda. They want to show how we can really play. We have an amazing coach who knows what he's doing, knows what he wants to implement in us, and we have amazing players that can implement his play style very well. Football is very different from the U.S. It's very fast, a lot of running, competitive, strong. So I think that we just play the same way we play here in training, put up a very good fight in the tournament, and hopefully bring the trophy.
Umuganda makuru g'ebyemizano emizano ena niyo ezandwa nyekiro kuhendera raundi 16 empaka za Champions League aho Barcelona hegutwire Newcastle na goro mshanjari 2 kuraba okuzaha quarter final. Yo Liverpool eshekwiraba Galatasaray na gori na harubsha, Bayern Munich esinjire Atlanta na gori na yemwe, kandi Tottenham nobu eraberemerwe kurabaho bitesinjire Atletico Madrid na gori 3 ahari 2.
Newcastle, they've kept plenty forward. That wasn't a bad knockdown. And the shot on the turn. And they do that tonight. They're having to defend here. And that's pulled back into a dangerous position. And it's Rafinha. They just lost him in the box. And what a start this is for Bon. And Ilanga's in there too. It's a beauty of a pass. And it's 1-1. Anthony Elanga for Newcastle United. Rafinha floats it in there, fantastic ball. Oh. They just switched off. And they've been made to pay. Marc Bernal for Barcelona, and so... Signal from Rafinha to the near post it was. Got Barnes up with him. Barnes pulls it across, and they've equalised again. And it's Anthony Elanga again. Trippier with a pass, Elanga with Gordon waiting in the middle. Gordon! Oh, it's a giveaway here, and it's only Dan Burn with Rafinha and a man over, and that's a great block. And Burn was... They go through the middle this time. It's Lewandowski, and it's straight at the goalkeeper. Off ball as well, into the feet of Lewandowski. They've moved it lovely. Rafinha and Lewandowski, and it's over. And Lopez. Now they're asking for a penalty against Ramsdale. Yamal scores just about. Ramsdale went the right way, but couldn't keep it out. Certainly giving Barca a game here, but that's a lovely pass. And they're in for 4. Fermin Lopez. In comes the corner, and it's another one. It's all going badly wrong now for Newcastle.
Are they now? There they go.
It's Lewandowski again. It's 2 for Lewandowski. It's yet another one for Barcelona, their 6th
game, and all of a sudden...
Oh, what a giveaway that is. Right, Rafinha.
Webere hukuba omurebe murungi wa makuru Agacencwire wanagakusiyona abantu Mbabazi Charity nda kubendeza kurara kurungi abasiramu mwena nyinshi karento nda kubendeza idi enungi kandi no kuruka itsibo cyanyu ahandi hagandi izindi programs zije zija hotakarga ha TV West orare kurungi.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Nehinda
mbireba nekushiweho
oyine mbogoka naba mu rugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
program okumbireba embogo nico cyo kunywa icyo kubasa kunywa ukabaje akacupa mu kacece umuhangara tina monta kwasa claiming ngwana nyure embogo ikamukora kubi oyije ijojo tunyuka nyure embogo yanyu ukandete letezo ano nabwo cyo ahora arebe embogo ozeyo unywa akacupa oshikane gure senteke sirinji rukume twakugisera so that efuterezo munda yawe otonge obusingi wabo lyaho stamire ukahurende takore mchocho ryo mbasi no tware enjoka Kampala kandi zitine receipt ico nchiba kitakoreza ruhanga ikitinisa omunsomu ruhanga akatamwe ensozi yatamwe pita ensezimwe yazirezo mushenyi ezimwe yazikora ensozi nka Switzerland and Kawari ihanga ry'abarabu yabahirezo musheni ayineshonga wayi yes ayineshonga wayi kandi uranga cyone cyakwereza cyone nabaye neshonga ugezeho itarante uranga yakwire no bugiga icyanga cyawe cyo wayisangiremo cyo bene umanya ngo tikinejo abana mwana mushoma ku ruga P1 kwika university arhabana ababere barbanywano bani in class arhabana bababerireho omwana kukuberaho bariyomba za kutera omwana akakoreza ukarwara omwana akakwata omukono akakutwara omwirwaro omwana akakwihira ibyo kurya hakiyungo ryo noza kurara ko ubutaroho ochitoroka kako aidinga okareba ko kwagara ko mudomo nombe manya mwina bana koko shitani kanorabamo abwemba bazana kandi obuyabere no kusinga na kusinga but along the way icyo kigambo along the way ebintu bingi nebiba hato shanga omwana ogwe maybe tiyamara kushoma maybe school fees abura maybe yarwara maybe yagire mucumbi bambinga minaba nebintu bingi bibaho nene things konka iyo koro baje wabaje waza university waeza wagire giga wagire wa omuntu go waeza tukumbugana wa mwijuka muyehesimu manya situation yaro omuntu ogwe washanga inobuzo no basobuzo bwo butabumara konka mworeke rukundo yes mworeke rukundo abokwa emichomwe no mweri chairman ero C5 wa Rwampara owo mugasho tubire turiyoko wabatamba twentshomero muchanga babutenga no maninya muche wa butenga mwamtakachimanya ikine kirango jo from tumen wo muche wa butenga Church of Uganda PO box kaberebere ankore diocese software tsomero mchanga owo mugasho yize chairman ero C5 yagira tinareba muhumuza nkashoma nawe bujaga koka muhumuza gwa ariyo nagamba ariyo mukagari yes abokuba amagarage gakashasha ariyo mukagari tariji amagarage temarunji kutabire nturi aja tinkwenda kutahanta rebero muhumuza akamujirro bwire yamushanga yabrasta mu mukagari kara yamaze nawe obwiri akamara nawe almost 1 hour ebyamuhire ebyamaraganise ebyo tinkubumanya konka that gischa kureba chairman or C5 na stamano umuntu byashomere nawe koko umuntu byashomere nawe abako muhumuza ni mmanya first of all nyo muhumuza ni maka shoma nawe akaina magisi muhumuza akataka zahansiga ngo yazansi yabantu mu class abantu batanu kimanisha no byagumiza mwakaza amusini akayi namagezi but umbiru gwatabuka gwayicanga umbiru n'ugwicanga kandi toka bureminga ogwayicanga abuka endware zimwe nzere tati okubozereze konka kaza ho yamureba baganira nuko kubire mbikize dargachi koko wawo ndonde ari wanshanje wayikaho iwo buza abantu bakoreka nuzagara ko wawo noshe nuko kubireba iwe no birebo tambikize
okumbireba yaba ni ku kibuga
oyine mbogoka naba mu rugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje